Hello everyone, I am B Pavan and I am from BTech second year ECE B section and my roll number is 20955A0411 and my AAT Tech Talk topic for data structures is postfix to prefix conversion with example. Postfix to prefix conversion. Conversion of postfix expression to prefix expression directly makes much better in terms of computation and better understanding the expression. Computers evaluate using postfix expressions. Let us study and understand the algorithm for postfix to prefix conversion. Algorithm for postfix to prefix conversion. Read the postfix conversion from left to right. If the symbol is an operand, then push it onto the stack. If the symbol is an operator, then pop two operands from the stack. Repeat the above steps until end of prefix expression. Once the expression iteration is completed, initialize the result string and pop out from the stack and add it to the result. Return the result. Let's consider an example for more understanding about the conversion of postfix to prefix. Let's take an example postfix expression ABC by minus AK by L minus multiplication. Here we have to read the postfix expression from left to right. So from left A, B, C are operands. So we can directly push A, B, C to stack. Push A, B, C to stack. In stack we will have A, B, C. And then the division operator comes. So when the operator comes, push BC, pop BC from stack. So in stack we have only A in this instant. Pop two operands from stack C and B, perform division BC and push division BC to stack, and then push BC to stack, and in the stack we will have A comma division BC, and then the subtraction operator comes, so we have to pop the elements from the stack. Pop division BC comma A from stack, so we get an empty stack. Pop two operands from the stack by BC and A by perform minus A by BC and push minus A by BC to stack, as we have to push minus A by BC to stack, and then we will have A by BC in the stack. In the next we have A comma K as they are operands, so push A comma K to stack. In the stack we will have minus A by BC comma A comma K. The next we have division operator. Pop K comma A from stack. So in the stack we will have minus A by BC. Pop two operands from the stack K and A. After push by AK to stack, and in the stack we will have minus A by BC comma by AK. Perform by AKL and push by AK to stack, and then we have an operand, it's L, so we have to push an operand that is L to the stack. So in the stack we will have minus A by BC comma by AK, and the L is the one entered into the stack, L, and then we have a subtraction operator minus, that is, so we have to pop the elements from the stack. Pop L comma by AK from stack. So after popping two operands from the stack L and by AK, we will have minus A by BC in the stack. After push minus by AKL to stack. So after pushing, we will have minus a by bc comma minus by akl. So here we perform minus by akl is pushed into the stack, and then